The precinct is something that we're excited about. I'm Chuck Atkinson. I'm the Chief of Police for the City of Doraville Police Department. It's going to offer so much opportunity for us to be on site more and be able to have officers here and be able to interact with everyone who is here. General Motors brought my family to Doraville. My dad worked and actually retired from the Doraville plant, so I've lived here all my life. It provided for my family. I wanted to see what went here and what kept this site going. So this is an exciting time.